What's up, guys? It's John. I'm about to take a ride around with my guy Brandon from the Birmingham Legion. Let's get started.
Hey, what's up, guys? Brandon Connor, Director of Corporate Partnerships for the Birmingham Legion FC. I'm riding this brand new 2019 Raptor. This Sunday, we're going to be playing our inaugural match at BBVA Conference Field at 4 p.m. Gates open at 2 p.m. for pre-game festivities in the plaza. BHMLegion.com. Go to the tickets page and you can purchase your single game tickets there. And you can even, I know you're gonna love it. I know you're gonna love it. So you can go to BHMLegion.com, purchase your tickets, single game, and you can also buy season tickets. Season tickets are available too. There's still some seats. They're going fast, so get yours and beat us there. Don't meet us there. You know, you can catch all of our games are locally televised on My 68. Also, all of our games are going to be televised on ESPN Plus as well. So you can stream it wherever you're at.
No excuses.
No excuses.
None at all.
We don't like excuses. Really, it was funny because he's a truck guy, and he was like, man, you know, I'm gonna try to explore. So he got to driving it around. It's funny that he was like, maybe I'm gonna trade it in and get a truck. So he was gonna get a truck the next day. He came back to the office and he was like, I can't get rid of it. I like, no, it's too nice. It's nice. It's nice. I'd be crazy to give it up. Yeah. So he's enjoying it. He's rolling in it, and back and forth practice and getting around town. Chandler Hoffman was our first signed player. Yes. He's homegrown. You know, he's from Oak Mountain High School, played collegiate level at UCLA. Yep. He has some MLS success as well as some USL success, and bringing him on to be the face of the team, it was a great job by Coach Sohn and Jay Heath. But as far as the two players that are from UAB, we actually held a combine, and that was just to make sure that another great aspect of Jay and Coach wanting to involve Birmingham, you know, left no stones unturned, so to speak, and they actually were invited to come out to the combine. They performed well, they impressed everyone, and you know they earned a spot on the team. But I know at least 5 guys have MLS experience, and they have been around the game for quite some time. So that adds some great experience, wealth of knowledge to be able to guide those young guys. You know, so again, that's just a testament to what our ownership group and our executives are doing. We work with Big Communications on the branding, coming up with, you know, the idea of what the Legion really stood for, and everyone knows Legion Field. Everyone knows Legion Field is synonymous with Birmingham. So that's one thing that we wanted to take away, thus the name the Legion. With the hammer down, the hammer and anvil. That's a testament to, you know, Birmingham's history. Being very big and still, in the 1800s when Birmingham was founded. We wanted to pay homage to that. One of the main groups that we have that support the Birmingham Legion is the Magic City Brigade. They're our supporters group. They come to every game, every function. They bring the drums, they bring the ruckus, they bring the noise, the smoke, the crowd, you know, and they bring the excitement. That's one way. You can also go to their website, Magic City Brigade on Facebook, any other social media outlets. And you can just come and be a fan. You can come to our games, you can buy tickets online. If you can't make it to games, you can watch our TVs on My 68.
Great riding with you, great talking to you, man. Hope the Birmingham Legion do a great job this year. Hope to see everybody out there tomorrow, Sunday at
4 p.m.
4 p.m. Be there.
Gates open at 2 p.m.
Yeah, it was a good time, man. Glad you could come out with us. I'll see you later, man.
See you.
All right, guys.